Just a little reminder, if anybody's just turned up.
Which one would you like to have a look at? That one?
The smaller one, please.
Yeah. Although this is the one of the heavier ones.
Yeah, is it?
This is a light one. You might get on better with that. There you go.
Have they got names?
Right, let's go
Yes,
to the
yeah,
next
they're
one
all
then.
named.
Thank you.
Fight or flight response that can overwhelm you. For the record, that was a Hurricane, an archived aircraft from World War II. And yeah, I think we're all pretty privileged, all of us, that they managed to get that Flypast in. It was supposed to be a couple of Spitfires, but due to the wind, they couldn't quite make it. But obviously the Hurricane, I think we're truly blessed. And look at that, the sun's breaking through as well. Enjoy.
So that concept of a vulture soaring over a dying cowboy in itself is wrong. But also, the idea of that high-pitched vulture screech is wrong. And what's already dead. And she isn't particularly fussed about how dead either. It could be something that's died just a few hours ago. But by the same measure, it could also be something that died weeks or months ago. She doesn't really care. As long as it's dead, it will do.